how to enable voice navigation in Google Maps. Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on voice navigation in Google Maps on your iPhone or Android device. If you're not hearing turn-by-turn directions while navigating, this guide will help you fix the issue in no time. Start by opening the Google Maps app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen, near the microphone icon. This will open the menu. From here, scroll down and select Settings. In the Settings, find and tap on Navigation at the top. Now there are two key options to check. 1. Ensure the mute state is set to unmuted. 2. Adjust the guidance volume to either normal or louder for better audibility. If the voice navigation still isn't working, it might be a Bluetooth issue. To troubleshoot, try turning off the Play Voice over Bluetooth option to hear directions directly from your phone. This can be helpful if your car's speaker volume is too low or not connected properly. And that's it. With these steps, you'll have voice navigation working perfectly in Google Maps. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.